Hi everybody, this has been a while. This is Michael from Ride the Glide. We have a new unboxing of the new Z10, the new Ninebot One Z10. Doesn't want to come out. Whoa, it's like a desk. What the hell? Let's say charger. Tools for when it falls apart. I hope it's got another plug because that's not going to come in very handy for me. Like they've even changed the plug-in on it. Alright, here we go. Mr. Sandman, bring me a drink. Here it is, people. And it's even heavy there, too. Ah, I know what that is now. Trolley handle. Look at that bad boy.
Oh.
Let's see if we got lights down on the whole bottom side. It's like landing lights. They built this so you can pick it up. No, maybe not. I thought they did like the other one. So right now I'm just doing an update of the firmware. Apparently I haven't done that in a while, or maybe it's because this is new. They've updated the firmware on it already. So far I'm super excited. It turned on really nicely, but I can't figure out how to turn it off. Maybe it gets easier after this. Rider safety guidelines. Oh yeah, don't want to do that. Trippy fall. Oh, careful over and up and down bumps. Don't overspeed. Ride facing cars, I guess. Ride at moderate speed. Apparently they suggest you don't share. This is pretty much everything that everybody does now. Well, they say don't do it. Alright. Limit. Where are we at? 90%. That's right, Sally. All this crap. Assisted braking. Yes, of course. Alert 1, alert 2, alert 3, no alerts. After assisted braking is enabled, the pedal will buffer, raise 3 degrees and provide support when braking. And we'll put on alarm 3. When we pick the speed, how about 36k? Sounds good. Limit off. Ooh, most excellent. Alright, so closing thoughts. I gotta still attach the trolley handle to it. It's got a trolley handle that's built in, so you can keep it turned on and walk it around. I really like the look of it. I have yet to give it a try, and that's what I'm going to do after this. I'm going to put on the trolley handle, I'm going to take it for a ride, and that will be our next video. So stay tuned.